Hello, beautiful people. Andre here with a quick tutorial on how to fold a fitted sheet. So this one here is for all the people in the struggle. It's very simple. So you're taking one corner to another, right? So literally what you're doing is you're taking your index finger or your two primary fingers into the corner, this little corner here, see that right there? You're just hooking that. You're doing the same on the opposite side, right? And then you're bringing those two together. You fold one on top of the other. You grab the fold, shake it out, right? And then you grab the other corners. So corner to corner, corner inside corner, and then corner to corner. Now you have a perfect square. You bring the other two corners together, fold on top of each other. Now you have a rectangle, right? So it's all about keeping the corners on your index finger, your middle finger, whichever finger you decide to use to hook the corners, right? And then you just take that rectangle, shake it up, get it nice and square so it doesn't have any creases and stuff in it. And then you fold it into the square that you like. And there's your folded fitted sheet, perfectly folded and ready to go into your storage closet or what have you. So you folded it like so. And this is your fitted sheet that is perfectly folded and ready for use. I do it all day, every day, so it's simple and easy for me, but some of y'all struggle needlessly. So I thought I would help you out a little bit. Just by giving you a little bit of a tutorial on hooking the corners with your fingers, bam, corner to corner, bam, over, bam, down, bam. It's just, you're just bringing the corners together. Hope that helped. No need to struggle any longer. Peace and blessings. Holla back.